Hello everyone. Today we are going to balance this reaction. This is ammonia, this is chlorine, this is nitrogen, and this is ammonium chloride. On the left hand side or reactant side we have here 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen and 2 chlorine. On the right side we have here 2 nitrogen plus 1 nitrogen, that is 3 nitrogen. And here we have 4 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Okay, to balance this reaction, if you target the nitrogen first, then you will fall in trouble because of the position of nitrogen. Here you are getting two compound where nitrogen is present, right? Will target to a atom that is present in one compound, not two compound. However, let me balance the number of hydrogen first. Here we have 3, here we have 4. So I can multiply here by 4, that gives me 12, right? And if I multiply here by 3, that gives me 12, right? If I multiply here by 3, these 3 must come before this hydrogen that is here. So here I have to put here 3. If I place here 3, coefficient 3, the number of nitrogen will be here 3 plus 2, that is 5. So here you have to change the number of hydrogen. 3 plus 2, that gives you 5, right? Okay, and here the number of hydrogen will be 3 times 4, that is 12, it is okay, and 3 times 1, that is 3. You are getting here 3 chlorine, right? Okay, if you place here 4, then this 4 must come before this hydrogen that is here, so you have to place here 4. If you place here 4, then you are getting 4 nitrogen, right? So you have to write here 4 nitrogen actually, and you are getting here 4 times 3, that is 12 hydrogen. Already we have written this, right? Okay, so our hydrogen is balanced, but our chlorine is not balanced. So what can I do? I can multiply here by 3, that gives me 6, and I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 6, right? Okay, let me write here 3 times 2, that gives me 6, right? Okay, so if I place here these 2, then these 2 must come before this chlorine that is here. So you have to put here 2. These 2 times 3, that gives you 6. So you have to write here 6, right? Okay. If you place here 6, the number of nitrogen will be 6 nitrogen plus 2 nitrogen. That gives you 8 nitrogen. So you are getting here 8 nitrogen. And you are getting here 6 times 4, that is you are getting 24 hydrogen. Totally you are getting here 24 hydrogen, and here you are getting 6 chlorine, that is already we have taken. However, if you place here these 3, then these 3 must come before this chlorine that is here, so you have to put here 3, right? Okay, so our chlorine is balanced, our hydrogen is not balanced. So to balance the hydrogen, what can I do? Here we have just 12 hydrogen, right? Okay, let me write it here, 12 hydrogen. But here we have 24 hydrogen. To balance the hydrogen, what can I do? I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 24, right? So these 2 must come before this hydrogen that is here. So 2 times 4, that gives you 8, right? So you have to write here 8. Okay, if you place here coefficient 8, then you are getting here 8 hydrogen, 8 nitrogen, right? So you have to update your nitrogen. It is, I am getting here 8 nitrogen, and I am getting here 8 times 3, that is 24 hydrogen. Okay, so our hydrogen is balanced, our chlorine is balanced, our nitrogen is balanced. So you can say that this equation is balanced now. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.